Most homeowners think they qualify for repair grants, but they're actually too rich to get approved. You're not wealthy, you're struggling. So naturally, you assume you qualify for help. But that assumption is exactly why so many people get denied. Here's the truth nobody explains. Most Americans fall into the 80% to 120% income range. And most grants? They cut off at 50% or 80%. That means you're not low income enough, even if it feels like you are. Everything is based on something called area median income. Not your bills, not your struggle, not your situation. Your zip code determines the rules. So two people making the same money can get completely different results. One gets approved, the other gets denied. Before you apply for any grant, check your AMI percentage for your area. Then compare it to the program's cutoff. If you skip this step, you're applying blind, and that's how people waste time and get rejected. So no, it's not that you don't qualify for help. It's that you're sitting right above the line, and that's why so many homeowners get denied.